Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you free software that are actually fantastic in 2024. So if you're looking for some fantastic software that you can use on your window, you might want to check on these 4 softwares which are awesome. The first one is Spotify, which is for streaming music online. You can use it to listen to or stream about millions of songs and podcasts from around the world. You can also use Google Chrome, which is a fast and a secure web browser with a wide range of extensions. You can also use Microsoft Online. It is a free version of popular Microsoft Office suite, accessible through your web browser. You can use it. You don't even have to install it on your Windows. You can just use it right through their website and you can get things done. You can also use the most popular video conference tools for meetings, webinars, and virtual hangouts online. So these are free software that are actually really fantastic with a unique features updates from their developers. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.